Katanat Soil and Water Conservation Jongga Sarkar Meghalaya mentak sing kala penlong ya kejing pun kuburom ya ki khat prangut ki field assistant ki balala ban pendep ya kejing sya hikai jongga kanhun basau phupra lane ka 48 batch field assistant na ka Conservation of Training Institute Bernihan haka passing out ceremony bala penlong da Katanat Soil and Water Conservation Jongga Sarkar Jala haka nek singi bala pun kuburom ya gite ki balala ban pendep ya kejing sya hikai lawan ban shimbenta daw Dr. Joram Beda Beliau Secretary Jongga Soil and Conservation Jongga Sarkar Jala Meghalaya Kumukongsan haka jing don lang jong ikong ai ranja ibdi Director Jongga Soil and Water Conservation rengkat kiwe de ki officer Jongga CTI Bernihan na pedang jonggi khat prangut ki balala ban pendep ya kate jing sya hikai bat jing sya pen tebit bala penrung house nam arjar arpoway arpoar khat sangut naki kide naga Soil and Water Conservation Jongga Sarkar Assam arngut kide naga Jala Arunachal Pradesh but way naga Soil and Water Conservation Jongga Division Jongga Resubel Para
Next is Kumari Kumya Yangko.
Already told before by the Joint Director, this is one of the oldest institution in the whole of Northeast, and this institution was there during the time of undivided Assam, and the current our Soil and Water Conservation Department also was bifurcated from the erstwhile Forest Department of Assam. I've gone through the report of this training program and pretty sure that you had a very comprehensive training program, and I must say that the essence of such a residential training is not just to give you technical knowledge. This is also to forge a lifelong relationship amongst you as officers. And especially in the current context of the northeastern region, this association that you have forged during this 11 years of training will go a pretty long way in helping in your professional career and as well as unifying the Northeast. All right. So it might be that someday you might be posted across the border. So please ensure you remember to this day and ensure that there is peace and brotherhood amongst all of us.
Resources that we have, such as land, water, air, mineral, forest, fisheries, flora and fauna, are the basis of life. We use these diverse resources in different ways to meet our needs and wants. Food, water, clothing, shelter, and even for all our amenities and luxury. However, these scarce resources are not infinitely available, and we have been exploiting them without care for too long. The northeastern region has many faulty practices like the jhum cultivation, illegal mining, rampant tree felling, water pollution, and so on. And combined with the careless uses that we have been carrying on, the effects are clearly visible, especially in the form of climate change. Some may argue on climate change, but looking back 10 or 20 years, we can all see the changes around us.
Right from the early 90s on and on till today, we are facing the same problem. Number one is load shedding, because we are staying at the farthest corner from Shillong, that means on the border of Assam. And then we had also this heat problem right from those days till today, and especially with the climate change, we are facing more and more heat today than those days, and so on. So what? First of all, on this very auspicious day, I would like to congratulate to each and everyone of these 48 batch FA trainees for having successfully completed your training. In spite of many shortcomings like our director, Kong Ipaisisha, Renjak mentioned just now, still you could complete, and especially one of the most hurdle during these last 2 years that disturbed the mind, disturbed the thoughts, and disturbed everything, it was the pandemic. So thank God, now we are free of all those things. We could talk to each other, we could see each other's face without any mask. So had been the period with the mask, we would have seen each other beautiful face as we see today. So my